So here it is asking us the required permission. So in the use effect we have specified the permission, right? And I'm trying to allow the permission. So let us quickly try to run the same on the Android emulator as well and try to see whether the same output is provided or not. It exactly asks the location permission just like in iOS. So I'm trying to allow the permission and let's try to see. Yes, it again fetch the same location. Here you can see. In this video, I'll show you how to get the user's live GPS location in your Expo application. No extra setup, no native code. By the end of this video, you will see how to fetch the user's real-time latitude and longitude values. And if you are building delivery apps, fitness apps, tracking apps, this is the must-known feature for you. So while let's get started. So I'll be creating a new project now, and here's the command for creating this particular project. Like expo-location tutorial is the project name, and I'm going with the template blank here because I just want a simple project structure. So here we go, the project is now open in our project explorer. Also we require the expo-location dependency need to be added to this particular project. So here it is, I'm going to add the expo-location dependency, and once the dependency is added, right, let's get started with this coding part now. So I'll be going to add the necessary imports first. So here we have added all the required 3 imports, and the next thing is we need to specify the default function and get started with fetching the location. So here we'll be specifying 2 use state hooks here. One is for location and one is for error messages. So for tracking these 2 things, we require these 2 hooks now. And with the help of use effect, let us try to track the permission, and we require permission to track the user location. So let us try to ask the user permission if it was not already granted. So here we are trying to request the foreground permission asynchronously here, and once the permission is granted, right, then we can make use of this particular permission and fetch the user's location. And once the permission is not granted, then we can set the error message like permission is been denied, and then we can return it. So I hope this is clear till now. So once we are verifying whether the permission is provided or not, if the permission is not provided, then we are trying to request for the permission, and if the request is denied, then we try to set this particular error message like permission is denied. And the next thing is we need to watch the live location. So once the permission is provided, right, let's make use of the location here and try to watch the position asynchronously here. And we need to specify the accuracy for location accuracy to be high here. And the next thing is we need to also specify the time interval. So for now I'm just specifying 1000 here, that is 1 second, and distance interval is 1 meter. And based on the location here, you need to set the location, that is the location coordinates. And also we have specified an empty array here. So we have discussed in the previous tutorials as well, whenever we make use of this particular use effect, right, at what trigger we want this particular use effect to work. So here I'm just trying to specify empty because I just want to get it triggered once this particular page is open. And now we try to return the view here. So let me try to return the basic UI, and I'll be creating a style sheet as well here. So for now let me try to design the view, and yes, we require style sheet. So let me try to add the style sheet as well first. And style sheet is now created. Let's try to make use of the style sheet and try designing the view now. And now we have completed the design as well, and also we have added the basic design to fetch the latitude, longitude and accuracy as well. So here there is a small typo. This should not be a capital F, this is a small f here. Now let's try to run this particular code and see the output once. So here it is asking us the required permission. So in the use effect we have specified the permission, right? And I'm trying to allow the permission. So let us quickly try to run the same on the Android emulator as well and try to see whether the same output is provided or not. And the code is now being installed on the Android emulator as well. Let's try to see whether it will ask the location permission on the app installation just like it asked in iOS. Yes, it exactly asks the location permission just like in iOS. So I'm trying to allow the permission and let's try to see. Yes, it again fetch the same location here, you can see. So this is the way how we need to fetch the location on the React Native application, and the code for this particular tutorial I'll be providing in the description section below. And I hope you found this tutorial interesting. If yes, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.